Hey! We haven't done an unboxing for the Essential Rewards order in a while, so I was going to go ahead and do that with y'all this month because we ordered a lot of the new stuff that was released with convention last month. So go ahead and see what all we have this month. The first thing we're going to do is the Pure Protein Complete with Vanilla Spice. Great for smoothies or just a protein drink during the day. The next thing is the Mighty Pro, which is the new probiotic that was released for kids. It's formulated for 2 to 12-year-olds, but anybody can do it. Delilah's going to come taste one for you. It's great for kids who have allergies to like nuts and stuff. You can just open it up and pour it down your mouth and then drink something after it. Or you can dissolve it in something, but whichever way you want to do it. Anyways, for a lot of the common allergies like the gluten or for us tree nuts, it's hard to find some products that are not manufactured in that facility, and this one is not. So this will be great for our tree nut allergy chick. We also got the Copaiba vanilla shampoo. We haven't tried the shampoo yet, but we do use the conditioner and we like it. So we actually had to get new conditioner too. We're out of that. And we also have the Thieves toothpaste. How's it going, Delilah? Nah. You don't really, it's not that good, or it's okay, or
Iffy.
Iffy? Does it taste like a pixie stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what I heard it tastes like. We also got the charcoal bar soap. Good for detoxing. Acne prone skin, that kind of stuff. It smells good though. It's got some of that orange blossom in it, not just the charcoal. The other thing was the orange blossom moisturizer. I was excited about this one. I liked the orange blossom foaming soap that I use. So I was pretty excited about this one when it got released. Smells really good. Sorry. I don't know what else to do with it. Don't know if I got it all in. Sorry. Alright, then we have some chapstick. We got the cinnamon and the grapefruit. I lost one of my chapsticks that was somewhere, and then I took that one out of my bag and put it wherever the other one was, and now I'm short a bottle of chapstick somewhere. I don't know. Then we have the free lavender vitality that came with our order. We also got the free Valor bottle that came with our order, which is one of my all-time favorites. The other new product that we got is the Mirror Hair Oil. I'm pretty excited about this one. I think Delilah should help with some dry hair issues and some frizzy issues. Then we also got, let's see what else we got. The Lavaderm Cooling Mist, which is great in the summertime for if you've been out in the sun afterwards. You can spray it on and it will help make those red spots not hurt so bad to the touch. But it's also cool if you're out running around or standing in long lines at, say, an amusement park. You could spray and it'll help cool you off. But I did lose a bottle last week on one of the roller coasters. So it's good that we got that in. The next thing we have, bergamot essential oil. I was out of that one. I used it up. It's a very citrusy smell. It's great for calm, relaxing, stuff like that. The next is geranium. That is a new one for me. I haven't used it yet. If you like floral scents, you would probably love this. More of a citrusy girl, so it's kind of meh. And then the last one is the Aroma Life. This one is also a new one for me. So I like this one a lot better than I like the geranium. But alright, there's the oil. After we try these new products, I will let you know what we think.